What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. All right, guys, I don't know what this video is gonna be about, but I'm just gonna start recording some random shit. So I got some things to do. So I have an Escalade at the house, and well, I need to get rid of it, but my winch didn't work, so, and it's out of warranty at Harbor Freight. So, you know, I needed some things for my truck, like the little pins for the hitch, and well, there was a winch on sale at Northern Tool, not Harbor Freight, but that's Harbor Freight, which that, and well, it was like, shit, I don't even know, but it was $279. Usually they're like $350-ish, but this one was $279. So I went ahead and got it, and that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. I just gotta take off the other one, but yeah, let me show you. It looks pretty decent. It looks kind of almost exactly like the Harbor Freight one, but you know, I don't know. But yeah, let me show you. All right, so here we go. I kind of already unboxed it and make sure it had everything. This is a winch. It is a 12,000, exactly like that one. But the only thing I don't like about this one is that it's only wired. It didn't have the option to get the wireless like that one. So yeah, it's all right. So I guess this is the brain. Of course, got a little hook, and these, I don't know if I'll have trouble wiring it up, which I don't think so, because I mean they're all color coded right there, so it should be pretty straightforward. And over here, that's your hardware to bolt it down, and your negative cable, which I'll probably need to get some whatchamacallits for the battery. But first, I gotta take this one off, or actually maybe this one will work. These will work now, but I still need to take it off. I think it's bolted down with 15 millimeters, so let me go ahead and get this thing off. All right, so test fit, first impressions. I think it's pretty much the same damn thing. You can see right here where the cables go, same position, same housing. Just a little stuff here and there, like where the spring goes here. That one has it, this one doesn't. The lever, same kind of, feels pretty much the same. If I wanted to change it from this one to that one, I could just take it off right here and swap it right over. Same thing with this right here. Even though I took it apart, it is the exact same. So I probably could have just swapped this over to that one, or to that one I should say, and gotten that one working. But not gonna happen. Might as well just use that one. But yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. So now I'm gonna bolt this down, and no, actually bolt that down first, and hopefully everything goes smooth, and same hardware as well. So yeah, all right, so don't mess up like I just did. So I bolted it down, tightened it up, and this was hitting the tongue of the trailer. So gotta put this on first. I don't know if it's gonna be the same for you guys, but I gotta put this one on first and then tighten it down. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, guys, and this is what your contraption should look like. Now I'm not gonna test it yet till I get home, because I don't have a battery. So I'm gonna get my comments. Hopefully it turns on, and we're gonna take this thing to Dallas, and hopefully we can get that Escalade, because, well, like I said, I tried to last time, but the winch didn't work. So also I did screw down the planks because they were all loose, and now I gotta hit it with the brush so I can get all this cement off. But yeah, we're getting there. Lost about 2 hours, but it'll be all right. Guys, next day, I actually didn't get to put the truck on the trailer, but that is what we're gonna do right now, so we can take it down there. And it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this done. So yeah, time to block the street. Hopefully not a lot of people come by, but yeah, we're gonna see if the Northern Tool winch gets the job done. So let's go ahead and get this thing on the trailer, guys. Alright guys, so that took me a little longer than expected. It was about 25, maybe 30 minutes. I had to move it again, but yeah, there she is. Winch works pretty good. When you undo the rope, you will, well, this wire will start to untangle itself, so keep that in mind. But yeah, it didn't struggle at all putting it on here, so A+. The only thing that I do miss about the other one was the wireless remote. So yeah, that's something that I really don't like about this one, and I'm gonna try to figure out and see if they got a wireless version of this. That way I can put it on here. But other than that, it is pretty good. Now I'm just gonna tie it down and get it ready so we can get out of here. Alright guys, well, we're in Greenville. I got it off the trailer. I gotta take off the gas tank, the doors, the front end, front differential, rear differential, and some other stuff. I don't know what, but I'm gonna put you on the time lapse, and then well, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. So well guys, I done messed up like always. I kind of forgot the title to the Escalade, and it's actually the next day. But yeah, I was supposed to take it to get scrapped, and I forgot the title, so that's not gonna happen. It is already pretty much ready to go. It's just the shell. Got the tank pulled off, got the rear end pulled off, and yeah, I'm still gonna load it up just to have it ready. But yeah, not gonna take it to scrap today, so that sucks, but that's all right. We're gonna load it up on the trailer. I'm gonna use the winch since it doesn't have a rear end. We're about to test it and see what we can do, but shouldn't be too hard. So yeah. All right, so this is the plan right here. So it doesn't have any suspension in the back. So what I did, I had a block and the wheel under it, and I drove the trailer under it. So I used my jack, raised it up a little bit, put a wood block on the bottom, and hopefully now it'll just slide this way. And once it gets closer, I'm gonna put the ramps on it, and hopefully it doesn't fall off that block. But we're about to find out right now. I'm gonna do it kind of real time to see if it'll work. If not, then oh well. Okay, that works. Alright, boys and hoes, and there we have it. Now keep in mind the like I said before, the cable undoes itself, so when you spool it back up, it's gonna look like that, especially if you don't have the fair lead like I do. But yeah, there it is, already on the truck. It didn't even hesitate or anything, went pretty smooth. And there we go, got the truck on there, ready to go. I just need to get the title. Also, I was gonna take out the front differential, but look at that. As soon as I pulled the CV axle off, I was gonna push it that way so it would fall, and then the axle just came out, so I'm not gonna be taking it off anymore. But there we have it, it's ready to go. There wasn't much I showed, but I got the rear end off of it, so it does help to have wood blocks under these things, and it's pretty solid. Now I'm gonna just tie up the front end, leave the winch. The recycling place is like 5-6 minutes away, so it's not a long drive. But yeah guys, there we have it, got the Escalade ready to go. So guys, I think that's gonna be it for this one. I know it wasn't interesting. I'm just trying to clean up because there's a bunch of stuff that I need to take care of, and a bunch of trucks I have that are pretty much almost ready to go. And well, my dad's starting to clean up, and well, I need to clean up too because it's a lot of my mess. And hi Mac. Hi Mac. He escaped again. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Remember, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, I post there too sometimes. But yeah, I'm gonna keep working on the trucks, maybe a couple days later, I don't know. But yeah, just keep up guys. Remember, again, like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.